Dear friends, partners of the Kyrgyz Republic, respective international community, my name is Chingiz Aydarbekov, ex-Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Kyrgyz Republic. As you know, at the end of April 2021, Tajikistan committed military aggression against the Kyrgyz Republic. As a result of the military aggression organized by the official Dushanbe, there are irretrievable human casualties of peaceful inhabitants of border villages, as well as significant moral and material damage to ordinary citizens of the Kyrgyz Republic. I believe that this situation should be viewed as a war crime with especially grave violations of international humanitarian law. There are specific criteria in international humanitarian law. This is the killing of civilians trapped in a combat zone, the seizure and killing of hostages, the unjustified destruction of civilian infrastructure, the destruction of homes and settlements without military necessity. More than 173 people were injured. More than 34 people died, of which more than 30 people are ordinary, peaceful citizens of the Kyrgyz Republic. Few entire villages of civilians were burned, demolished. All private property was taken to Tajikistan. War crimes of a massive nature with a large number of victims are considered as crimes against peace and humanity and are subject to international military tribunals. According to international criminal law, crimes against the peace and security of mankind have no statute of limitations. Someone from Tajik military officers must answer for these grave crimes. It is necessary to conduct an international investigation and oblige Tajikistan to pay reparations for the disproportionate, unilateral, pre-planned use of heavy military equipment and weapons for the perfidious solution of border claims. The attack on the Kyrgyz Republic is unprecedented in the history of civilized people, which was carried out by a prepared military plan with the use of heavy military equipment and weapons against the civilian population on the territory of another sovereign and independent state. We have all heard repeatedly how the leadership of Tajikistan over the past years has many times stated at many international meetings that it needs military technical support to guard the Tajik-Afghan border. Official Dushanbe has admitted all this time that they do not have enough weapons to guard the southern borders in Central Asia. As we can see, Tajikistan uses all the military technical assistance provided by the world community for the military aggression against the Kyrgyz Republic. Thus, they are trying to force the Kyrgyz side to accept their unfavorable conditions for the delimitation of the state border. It is criminal. World community knows very well that the Kyrgyz Republic, which promotes democratic values, human rights, and the rule of law, has always been and remains a reliable partner at the international level. The Kyrgyz Republic has never violated its international obligations. The Kyrgyz Republic, as a responsible subject of international relations, a member of many authoritative international organizations, including the UN Universal Organization, needed world support and condemnation of Tajikistan's aggressive military actions. We count on the help of our allies, partners, and fraternal countries in condemning the actions of official Dushanbe and forcing Tajikistan to restore destroyed civilian buildings, pay compensations to the families of victims, peacefully resolve border issues. Our people appeal to the world community so that all civilized countries explain to Tajikistan that in the 21st century it is not civilized, not brotherly, not effective, and condemnatory to resolve issues with medieval methods through the unilateral use of military equipment. We understand that this is not the aggression of the Tajik nation, but the perfidy, treachery, crime of Tajik officials, which must be brought to international responsibility. We need your support. Thank you very much.